a free private server in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can join a free private server in any Roblox game. So let's pick up any particular Roblox game and try to join a free private server. So when you click onto the game icon, you can see this particular option. So simply move it towards the top of your screen and then you will need to scroll down, and once you have scrolled down enough you will see the servers option. So simply click onto the servers option and it will list out all of the servers that are currently accessible or available. Now in order to create a private server you can click onto this button, but if you want to join a private server you can click onto this join button in any of these servers. You can also sort them according to ascending or descending, which means the number of people within those servers. So you can simply join them by clicking onto this join button, and once you will click onto this join button it will open the game and you will be placed under this particular server. So that's how easily you can join a free private server. This tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice